Jesu, and you're welcome once again to my channel. This is another episode of how to make surface pattern designs using Microsoft Paint. So let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is to make a canvas, this white side, 500 pixel horizontal and 500 pixel vertical. And we can do this in resize, with ticking on pixel. We untick maintain aspect ratio, put in the figures that we want, and we click OK. The next thing we're going to do is to go to the view and we tick the ruler. This is very important. Then the next we're going to do is to go to the shapes, the curve shape. We go 100 by 250 and we click anywhere. This style I'm doing is called a freestyle. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is to go to the oval shape. We made this circle 300 to 500 and 0 to 200. So this one is quite big. We go down, we move to this side. Just try and do what I'm doing, or just do what you like. This is what they call freestyle. And you go 0 by 50 and 100 by 0 by 50, horizontally, and 0 by 200 by 200 vertically. So this is what we have. And the next thing we're going to do is to start filling. Remember to fill all the sides of the canvas because of the white background. This where the canvas has a white background, so we have to fill in. We have to fill in all the sides so that by the time we start merging the designs, there will be no white background. So next thing we're going to do is to open another page in Paint. I will make it 3000 pixel horizontal and 500 pixel vertical. We have to untick maintain aspect ratio and put in 500. For our young viewers, we zoom out to 50%. We Control A, Control C, and we Control V. Since these two sides are not uniform, we have to make them uniform. We flip horizontally. We Control V. When we are making a design, there's something we have to note. When we are making a design that is almost white, or the colors, most of the colors are almost white, we make the canvas black. We change the canvas to a darker color like black, so that by the time we are merging the designs, we won't make any form of mistake. We will see what we are doing. So Control V as usual, Control V, and we flip horizontally. Control A, Control C, and we increase the canvas to 1000 pixels and Control V. We rotate 180 degrees to make design uniform, and we'll Control A, Control C, and we increase to 2000 pixel, and we'll Control V. And we Control V. So we are through. So we can name it any name you want to give to it. So thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like, share and give a thumbs up. Also kindly subscribe. See you on the next episode. Bye bye.